Romeo, if we start with you moving to England at just 16 years old and joining Manchester City Academy, how challenging was it for you as such a young player? What was the biggest challenges you faced at that time?
Biggest challenge without a doubt was moving during COVID, because then the first year I couldn't really come back to see my family, or they couldn't come over.
Last year was very unfortunate for you with the ankle and hamstring injury. You missed practically the entire season. How challenging was it for you at just 19 to face such a difficult time?
It was very challenging because, you know, you've just joined and you're really excited to show what you can do at such a beautiful club, and then this happens. It's hard at first, but it's like how can you turn into something positive? And I tried to have that in my head, even though sometimes it was very hard, but particularly have to then take step by step, you know, when you're back with the team, and try to be as ready as possible.
I'm sure your personal goals this season are to not get injured again, but what do you maybe want to achieve in this season, like 10 assists, your first goal for Chelsea, not receiving red card, I don't know, what are just like small goals?
Yeah, I think definitely to score my first goal. If I can pick, definitely at Stamford Bridge. So that's definitely one of my biggest goals this season. Apart from that, I'll probably say it's more collective, because, you know, we've struggled a lot, and with the quality that we have in the squad, it would mean more than just having a personal trophy or whatever it can be.
You're described as an excellent passer, as a really intelligent player, but how would you describe your playing style? What do you feel are your biggest qualities? Biggest
quality, I would probably say, it's hard to explain actually. It's hard to explain. The ones that keeps it ticking, you know? It's like, I sort of like to make the play, have everything go through me, and then try to help my teammates to be in better position for them with their qualities, for example, offensively, and then defensively, try not to concede and make their job easier.
Were you always a defensive midfielder, or did you explore other positions as a youngster?
I started as a striker.
Okay.
I started as a striker, which can be surprising. Then quickly moved into centre back, and then when I was about probably 14, 15, I sort of moved into midfield, and yeah, from there I didn't really move.
The only position you didn't try was a goalkeeper then?
Yeah, probably.
So you're facing Arsenal this weekend. Where do you see you have the most chances? What do you anticipate as the biggest challenge?
There's got to be challenge everywhere on the pitch, and you know, obviously it's a strong team. First of all, it's a derby, so you know they're gonna come for it. So we've got to be ready, and we will be ready. Whatever the challenge is, we're gonna prepare as much as we can to be able to face it.
Thank you so much, Romeo, and good luck.
Thank you very much. Thank you.